Welcome to Pine Tree Lane. In today's video, we're going to tell you about the process of working with Pine Tree Lane. Over the years, we've tried to improve our processes to make the project workflow for our clients as smooth as possible. Building a house can be challenging with multiple agencies involved, multiple parties involved, and creating a process that works well for the client, our internal process, as well as for third-party agencies is something we've come quite well to understand over the years building Pine Tree Lane.
We guide our clients through every step, ensuring clear communication and absolute satisfaction. This final design meeting is crucial because we are making the last-minute adjustments for getting the client's approval.
My favorite part of the process is translating the client's ideas and personality into a tangible, beautiful design. We use 3D renderings to make them visualize their future kitchen, ensuring every detail is perfect before even we begin.
Once these details have been finalized, we quickly send the items for production. Depending on the factory's availability and the production schedules, our teams would then start producing the items.
We collaborate closely with the production and installation team to ensure the design's integrity is maintained throughout the process. Seeing the quality of the finished product is incredibly rewarding.
Our commitment is to deliver a kitchen that exceeds expectations. The final walkthrough is a guarantee of perfection.